Hey there! Today, we're diving into two really cool science ideas, mass and density. They help us understand why some things feel heavy or light, and why some things float while others sink. Let's get started! First up, what is mass? Mass is basically how much stuff or matter is inside something. Think of it like the amount of material an object is made of. Unlike weight, mass doesn't change no matter where you are. It's measured in units like grams or kilograms. For example, if you hold a soccer ball in one hand and a bowling ball in the other, you'll notice the bowling ball feels heavier. That's because it has more mass, meaning it's made of more stuff. Okay, now let's talk about density. Density is a little different. It tells us how tightly packed the stuff is inside an object. Imagine squishing a sponge and a rock into the same size. The sponge is light because its stuff isn't packed tightly, but the rock is heavy because its stuff is packed very tightly. Here's a quick formula. Density equals mass divided by volume. It's measured in units like grams per cubic centimeter. Picture this, a swimming pool with a styrofoam and a big piece of watermelon floating in it. The styrofoam sinks because it's denser than water. It has more mass in a small space. The watermelon floats because it's less dense. Its stuff is spread out. So how are mass and density connected? They work together to explain why things behave the way they do. A small, dense object can feel heavier than a big, light object, even if it's smaller in size. So to wrap it up, mass is how much material an object has, and density is how tightly that material is packed. Together, they help us understand the world around us, from why things sink or float to why some objects feel so heavy. Isn't that awesome? Thanks for exploring with me today. Catch you next time.